just have to put an end to all this. I just have to end it all.
I'm begging you not to do this.
You've tried. You've done more than enough for me. I can't continue being a burden to your life.
I'm not complaining. I'm not doing this for love. Walk. It's nothing but a dead man. He cannot even stand or walk or feed himself. And to say, let him shoot himself if he wants to. You're a man vegetable. Because I'm begging you. It's Mama. Never! Let me go in and stop him before he doing the shooting. He's only secure. Listen now! Shoot yourself right there!
Come. I'm sorry. I have to do this.
Chimo, I'm trying it though. I'm trying the number since no connection. I'm trying it. No. No connection again. Hey. Oh. Hey. Number ya dia gaga. Oh, what happens? I'm trying your number, trying, no connection. Who opened the phone?
No.
Oh, Guinea.
Bandit. Hey.
Can Bandit?
Hey. Get me water to drink. Hey. Nakum Jajao. Ooh. Hey.
Let me one. Ndo. Hey. Can't make it for. Ndo.
Hey.
Hey.
I'm robbers. I'm robber, so.
I'm okay.
Okay, robber. Hey. Yakum Jaja.
Ibu, what happens?
My dear, I was coming back from Lagos. And I entered this big lorry with their goods coming down to the east. You know, I had to enter the lorry because I had no money with me.
Hey.
I had no shishi with me.
Whoa.
So I jammed these bandits.
Hey.
You know, they forced me to release my bag to them. I refused because they thought I had a lot of money in my bag.
Hey.
So they had to. Beat me blue black.
If you go near, why you refuse to listen in time? If they're killing you, is it better?
I wouldn't have done that because I have my CVs in my bag.
CV?
Yes.
You want to give CV?
My original certificate, which I use in looking for job.
Certificate?
Yes.
Chineke me.
Certificate.
Chimo! Now that they have taken your certificate, how are you going to get in a good job?
I don't know.
Chai.
They took away all my original certificates. I don't even know what to do.
Ebezina, oh?
Hey.
Ebezina. I'm no Lisa Binigwe. Chukum. You know, you're getting a good job. God will provide us a good job. You know, go. Ndo. Wakaiga. I'm not the rum, Meriha. On the rum.
This love is strong beyond human comprehension. No sacrifice. This love is strong beyond human comprehension. No sacrifice. Love us where we give. The rich Jamanu. No sacrifice. Their love is strong.
Young robber. Oh.
Easy. You want your no.
Taking heart. No. Taking heart as strong like a man.
Yeah, you taking heart and taking it like a gentlewoman now.
If I eat more than like this now, is it still romancing?
I didn't ask you to romance me. Just do this thing. This is not this is not type of romance.
Put your obi. Come. Maybe I'll go back here. I'm pressing it down.
Stop pressing it.
Hello. Mba. Chelo.
You man can have to be a fibula. Chelo, go. Don't want again.
I don't know, come messy far. Come be again, huh? Oh, come be again, call him.
I just need one idea. Go be a man. Go before. Be a boom.
Zoom. Oh.
Oh.
I got him.
Hey, I really boom.
When I quit from there, they will not go scotted free. You know, as long as available is life, Chukwulisa, can you go on? You go getting good job.
Amen.
You know go.
Amen. Oh. Hey.
Did you see get back? Oh. Did you see get to say back?
Hey.
Kept your head here.
You boom question nine problem. Hey, come eat up my quantity. Hey, what you?
Chiwobi. They will not go scotted free.
Scotted? Okay. Hey, come. Double pin.
Come here, Neva. I'm not quite easy. God.
Hey, my name is Shopi. Hey.
Oh.
You pick up me and no. Hey.
When you're sleeping, I'm going to shop.
Okay.
Then I'm coming back and doing cooking for you. Oh?
Okay. Thank you. Come. Oh. God will bless you. God will bless you.
Amen.
Hey.
Smile. No, smile.
Boko, who is here? I want to buy me a Come. Alice, so beautiful.
So, Ali, so how is it?
No selling, no selling. I come in late.
Why now? Do you I know is always punctual? Why?
Alice, which one is factual?
I did not say factual. I say punctual. Okay, I will explain. Punctual means, how do I put it? Okay, it means arriving early. On time. Our principal, Nanka school that year, he always tell us, always be punctual in school. Do you understand now?
Alice, you knowing I not going in secondary now. I stopping from standard 1.
It's true. It's true. But how about Izuna? Hope you both are still seeing each other. Come. What is it?
He coming early, He coming early today. And Lobas attacking him.
Hope they did not injure him.
They injuring him,
Hey!
That is why I come in late now.
Hey! What about the job interview he went for?
I don't know. But he crying, they taking everything.
Hey! Timo, this is heartbreaking. Oh, this is heartbreaking. Please, greet him for me. Oh? All the things they took from him, he's going to recover it.
Amen, Amen.
Hey.
Alice, I'm going to cooking for him.
You're going home? Hey. It's okay. It is well. Oh, but before then, I need milk and Milo.
Hey, Izum, why stressing yourself?
Cooking is no longer a stress to me since I learned it from you.
But I tell you not to stress on yourself. I'm coming back and cooking myself.
My dear, why waiting for you to come and cook since I can do the cooking? Don't worry, okay? This one, you're going to love it. It will be very delicious.
Izum. I smelling the smell at the entering compound.
So, anyway, it's not called smell. It's called aroma.
Aroma?
No, aroma.
Hey, is it cooking the food?
No, it's not used for cooking food. It's a pleasant smell that comes out from a good food.
Apoibo. Sweetie. The question is your food tasting nice?
Anyway, it's going to be nice. This one will be the best egusi soup.
I got taste here.
Try it.
Bagam.
I know you like it. That's why you love it.
She don't know how to speak. She don't know how to write. Oyibo.
You won't try? I told you that this would be the best you've ever tasted.
Let your head not growing big.
But I've already finished cooking before you came in.
Okay, man. You are not telling the truth. Go inside and taking your drug payment.
It's not called drug payment, it's called pain relief drug. not drug payment.
Okay.
Take it easy now. You're not rushing it with anybody.
You're also rushing the food now. Rushing the food. When is that taking a payment drug?
Who knows that if that payment drug will work the way you used to call it?
I'm not letting you eating food well. Joining me.
But she knows what she wants. You can call her Olodo, but she knows what she wants.
Why did you look at me like that?
Get out, Joe. You're too fine. Only you. Yeah? Oh no go. Akwo juku. Yeah? Me. Yeah, look at you, so beautiful. Yeah? Imapani bwana no you go to tozo. Yeah? Ndemo ibugolani. You know na leki. Yeah? You know, like someday I'ma just hold you like this. I'll lick you like a lollipop. You know, I'm just short of words to quantify how beautiful you are.
This my beauty is because you're presenting in my life.
Okay? Hi. Come. You're too sweet.
Kagam. Otamago. So we're going you this morning. We're going you this morning.
Hi, come. Yeah? Anyway, I'm going to the local government. I want to go and see if they have a job for me, you know. I don't have a phone anymore, and they might have been trying to get me on the phone. So let me go there and check if there's anything for me.
Good thinking of you. Going to the police station and reporting about your VC.
My VC? VC? VC?
Those are certificates.
Oh, hi. Okay, my CV and my certificates. Anyway, I think that's a good suggestion. Yes, that's a good one. I think I'll do that. It's okay. It's okay.
Let me go inside at the time go to shop.
Eh? Oh, okay. Okay. Hi, come. Let me tell you something. Come at least one of these days try and make me happy. Eh? Just try and fat in your marrow. Arrow is I'll be done, Adam. I'll be okay.
Adam, my God.
Yeah, my God. I don't want to because. Hi. Can we go? Eh? One marrow, one the bad. Kambili.
So, what happens? You're injuring? The brush is injuring you?
No, I don't think it's the brush.
Oh! Those attacking from those criminals.
No, I don't think it's them. I experienced this while I was in Lagos. But the blood wasn't this much.
Izu, when last you changing your brush? Confiding?
Since last year.
No. Look in your brush. You see shuku. Eh? Ojaye zeta. Look in your brush. They're telling us you should be changing your brushing. Wamgbe.
It's okay, let me just finish with this first. I'll change it.
This your brushing is not hygienical.
Okay.
I preparation your food inside. Let me go inside. Oh?
Listen now. Bia.
What is it? What is it? Are you okay?
You peed?
Yes, I did.
You peed blood, oh.
Oh, it's the foul blood. Yes, I killed a fowl there that we use in cooking our soup.
Hey, Obimo, I was become worrisome. Hey.
My dear, see, stop bothering yourself, okay? You don't just have to worry yourself. I am perfectly okay. Huh? I am fine.
Amen, Mo. Amen.
Yeah, Balok, come. Oh, let me look for something and cover it.
This love is strong, beyond human comprehension. Oh, no sacrifice. This love is strong, beyond human comprehension. Oh, no sacrifice. Love us very good. Courage you
You working already? Finally.
My dear, how are you? I hope you slept well.
Those the sweeting story you told me, sweeting me sleep well.
Moonlight story. What are you up to?
I wanted to washing your dirty clothes before I go in shop.
Why now? Why should you be bothering yourself? I'll be at home doing nothing. You know I don't work. Okay? So you shouldn't bother yourself doing that. I have my hands, so I can wash them.
Complainant.
You can wash them. You shouldn't be
Obar.
bothering yourself.
Blood again?
Blood? Where did you get that from?
From the trouser you wearing yesterday.
Okay.
Is anything wrong in I am worried though.
Okay.
Blood.
Nothing is wrong with me. All I needed was rest, and I've gotten it. Okay? I am fine.
Blood is not something you're joking with, my dear. Let's see a doctor to knowing why blood everywhere.
Okay. You don't need to be stressing yourself. I am perfectly okay. Huh? Look at me. Don't I look healthy? I am strong.
True. You're looking healthy. Kakaraka. Na piakwa ofuma. Mana. We see blood everywhere. Now blood on this hanky. Izu, we're seeing doctor.
Obim, I am fine. Nothing is wrong with... Okay, I've heard you. Eh?
I'm fearing.
You don't need to be scared of anything. I've heard what you said. I'll do that. But just know it that I'm fine. Okay? I just have to put an end to all this. I just have to end it all.
I mean, I'm begging you not to do this.
You've tried. You've done more than enough for me. I can't continue being a burden to your life.
I'm not doing this for love. It's nothing but a dead man. He cannot even stand or walk or feed himself. Can't you see? Let him shoot himself if he wants to. You're a mere vegetable. I beg you. It's Mama. Never! Let me go in and stop him before he's doing the shooting. He's only secure. He's in there! Shoot yourself at the end!
Come. I'm sorry. I have to do this.
Hey! What happens? Why cry and cry? Hmm? Ogini, why cry and cry? Oh, amazing fan. Your tears brokenness the heart of my innermost. Huh? Stop crying.
I don't even know what is wrong. I don't even know.
Kadirima. You know, go. Stop crying. No. I followed you to cry, you know. Alice, you know you are my friendship. I don't like him bringing person into Izuna and me relationship.
That's true.
This one is troubling me.
Kambili, you know you've been my friend since childhood.
Is you?
Though our paths went different ways when you left school pre-standard 1. I never let that affect our friendship. Please, feel free to talk to me. You can actually confide in me. Huh?
What is a confined?
It means you can actually talk to me. You can actually tell me what your problem is. Huh?
Alice. Cutting this English is small. No. Or you spoke Igbo to me. Sora mo Igbo can no.
But I've told you this earlier. There's no way I can cut down the English for you. I have to speak English with you so you can learn how to speak, so you can improve. Oh?
It is true.
So tell me, what's the problem? Eh?
It is in my Izu. He's saddening and crying.
Hey.
And not telling me about the matter. I trying everything very well to make him giving me a talking. Not giving me a talking. The thing is saddening me.
I asked you before. You told me Izuna was robbed. And he lost his certificate that can actually help him get a good job. Right? Hey, yes now. Such thing can break any man down.
Chelukwa. Alice. You telling me Izuna not getting a good job?
I didn't actually say so, but that certificate he lost is necessary.
Hey, that certificate he's schooling in schooling engineer 5 years. Hey,
it's very necessary. He needs it to get a good job.
Hey, Izuna not to explanation it well to me now.
Yes, but I just pray he will find something doing now. No hardworking man with ambition is happy staying idle. You just have to. You have to stay with him. You have to encourage him. He needs you now. Oh. It's okay. Don't cry. Oh, God is in control. God will see you through. Oh.
You know me, I so funny to put him do that to you any.
I know.
Hey, thank you. Thank you, Alice.
It's okay. I just need you to stop crying. Oh.
If you know the explanation this thing to me, I don't know what is going on. Oh.
This love is strong beyond human comprehension. Oh, no sacrifice. This love is strong beyond human comprehension. Oh, no sacrifice. Love us very good. Courage Jamanu. Oh, no sacrifice. Their love is strong.
Time will have coming for when I come into cooking afternoon food.
The time was so fast.
Izu, you're looking down. Giving me a talking. What is in the troubling?
I spoke with the field operation manager of the local government council on the phone, and he told me that there's no job for me.
Hey! Why now? But he promising to got you that job.
Yes, I thought so. I'm even surprised he called.
Hey. Oh. Is that why you are saddening and crying? Don't worry. You will gotten a good payment job. You know, go. Okay, no.
Kambili, it's been over 5 years since my graduation, and I'm still searching for a job. When will this end? When is this going to stop? I'm still searching for a job up to this moment. All my mates are making money with good jobs. Making money, living good life, driving big cars. I need to make money. I need to make money and take care of you and also pay you. I need to come and pay your bride price.
Complainant am I supporting you money from my market. Eh?
Kambili, I know, but for how long? For how long? You've done more than enough to see me through school. I can't continue depending on you for daily bread. I can't.
Dependent you on me daily bread. You know, go. We're eating abacha, opa, and egusi too. Eh? I want you. In God's timing, you will got a good payment job that will turn around our lives. You know, go. Is that why you're looking down?
Kambili, you see, when that time comes, I'm going to shower you with enough love. Yes, I'm going to take care of you. I'm going to treat you like a queen, which you are. You're a good person. You're good-hearted. I must say I love you. I love you so much.
Me too. I don't cooking egusi.
I know.
When I'm more sheep. I'm going to the kitchen first.
Love with it can be is something else. What a tender heart can believe mama. She's ready to sacrifice all for her love. But you mama when I need to love. Please pardon me. But you mama love you. But you mama
Kambili. Kambili, again, is it? I've been waiting for you at the hospital. Eh? The doctor insists that we complete the payment 200,000 before he starts treating Mama. Where is the money now so we can go and make the payment?
Looking for it.
You can't possibly be looking for the money now. It's only the three of us in this house. Mama and you and I. Kambili, where is the money? where is the money now? You what?
Goes out?
Yes, I want to go and look for a laborer's work to do.
Hey.
Man.
But enough you not feeling well.
I've rested enough. I've been resting since. Yeah? At least let me go out there and look for something to do and make money.
I'm understanding you. Eh? Okay, I'm going to eating something before you goes out.
No. It's late already. By now, all the laborers must have started work at the site. Let me go and do something, okay? I must definitely eat when I come back. Okay?
I'm liking you eating something before you go out.
Don't worry, I must eat when I come back, okay? Cancan.
Otavago.
Okay, I'll see when I come back, okay? Take care.
Make you kakaraka.
Don't worry, yeah?
I do fast now. What you got to see now? See now, I know the baby. I don't like this again. But I carry. If I stand, they go. See weather. This is what you know to carry on. I'm not
You're just joining us today and you're already looking tired. I hope you're ready for this job.
Yes, I am ready, but just that I feel pains.
You feel pains?
Yeah.
You would have stayed back at home now. Now, first and foremost, you come this job. See, if you must collect payment at the end of the day, you must have to work it out too. Are you? What is it? Musa! I can never come home. What is Jesus Christ? What's the problem? Stop one!
Please, I need you to calm down.
Dokita, I cannot be in the car. I want to see him.
Please, not right now. Just calm down. Look, he was rushed down here in coma and we ran a series of tests on his blood samples. And we found that he has abnormal white blood cell.
Chinekeme! White blood! I'm not going that one, no! I have person blood changing white!
No, it's not what I meant. It's not like that. See, I promise you he will be fine. I just need you to calm down, please.
Because doing something, doing something. Because me, education is not become, doing something.
I am doing my best and I promise you he will be fine. To calm down.
Oh.
Alright? Oh. By the way, what is Cam and who is Cam?
Oh, Mama, it is a me.
Okay. Because he kept on muttering that words, like he kept on mentioning that name.
Doctor, you want to see me?
See.
I want to see him. Let me see him. No, he wants to see me.
I need you to calm down. You will see him. Just relax.
Doctor.
See, I promise you he will be fine. Just relax, please. Can you just take a seat?
Doctor, sorry.
See, you will see him. Just relax, please. I need you to calm down. Alright? Can you just take a seat, please? Just sit down and wait for me while I go in and take care of you.
I cannot sit my gosh down. Biko.
Please, you just have to sit down. I will take care of everything, I promise you. Just sit down, please.
Doctor, leaving that one. I standing, Biko. Going, treating.
Okay, I'll go inside and take care of him. Nurse, please come with me.
Doctor, I come in too?
No.
We shared our mother's room together to the moment of our birth. It was the wish of our late parents that we continue to bond together in love, peace and harmony. That is why I've decided to forgive you for everything that happened before now and wished led to Mama's death.
Hey. I thank you, Jamwike. I promising you such not happening again. Inugo?
I won't even give you the chance to. That is why I've reached this conclusion. Kambili, I have the best of your interest at heart. But you must break up with Izuna.
Ah!
That is the only way I can forgive you for everything that ever happened.
You wanted me to break with Izuna?